Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and recovery contact so you don't get locked out later. Once done, make sure your device has network access and at least 20% battery so updates won't fail. Now open Settings, tap your name, then Icloud. You're initiating the lock procedure because you want controlled access. This step registers the device with Apple services and reveals the options you'll change next. Keep your passphrase at hand and proceed to the security settings. Next, you enable two-factor authentication from password and security, so your account requires a second verification factor. This prevents unauthorized access. Then go back to iCloud and enable Find My iPhone or iPad. Find My ties activation lock to your Apple ID and deters theft. Review the devices listed under your Apple ID and remove any you don't recognize. Once those protections are active, your iCloud and device are linked tightly. An activation lock will be effective. Finally, you can lock or erase a lost device from iCloud. Calm or the Find My app. Mark it as lost to display a contact message, or erase it if necessary. Either action engages activation lock tied to your Apple ID. Make sure to verify the lock by signing out and checking activation lock status in iCloud settings. If you encounter an unexpected lock and can't sign in, initiate account recovery or contact Apple support with proof of purchase. This is the primary troubleshooting path to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.